Welcome to Learn About Fly. This is part 1 in a new series about upgrading and tuning up this E-Z-GO golf cart.
In this video, we will start disassembling the cart. We need to have easy access to the shocks and springs, since we will be replacing them. We'll begin by removing the wheels and canopy to open things up.
We were considering a lift kit for this golf cart to aid in getting over bumps and uneven terrain. We used this golf cart for the AirVenture Cup race, and we needed to be able to go over hills and uneven terrain when transporting people. Last year it bottomed out a few times while going over a hill, so we're hoping that lifting the cart will help.
We now work on taking off the shocks as they're bad and need replacement. We then drop the axle to make room for the new one that is lifted up.
Now we're cleaning off the area the axle was mounted to.
Now it's time to install the new axle and have a lift kit in the front.
We also modified the steering knuckle.
We then added 12-inch lawn tractor tires to the rear.
Then we put the canopy back on.